Mom, can I lay down on you?
Wait, hold on. Tell me about your girlfriends. How many do you have? 3?
Yeah.
Why do you have so many girlfriends?
Because I only wanted one.
You wanted 1 and you ended up with 3?
Yeah, which is I don't want 3.
You don't want 3?
I don't want 3.
And they want you or
Are you
what?
gonna break up with them? You're gonna say that they're not your girlfriends anymore?
Which is
You're gonna keep all 3 of them?
no.
Which one do you want? What's her name?
I can't say it without going to school.
You forget it or what?
You forgot his name.
You forgot her name?
Yeah.
But she's your girlfriend. How can you forget her name?
Because I can't even know it.
Oh, wow. What kind of boyfriend are you?
The dumbest boyfriend.
The dumbest boyfriend? No, you're not.
I am.
No, you're not.
I am.
You're so cute. I love you.